Hi students, today we will discuss about linear partial differential equations of first order. If P and Q occurs in the first degree, in first degree, it is called linear partial differential equations of first order. Otherwise, it is called non-linear PDE. For example, Px plus Qy square equal to Z. This is a linear PDE. P square plus Q square equal to 1. This is a non-linear PDE. This is a non-linear PDE. Linear PDE means if P and Q occurs in the first degree only, then it is called linear partial differential equation of first order. Now we'll explain Lagrange's linear equation. A linear partial differential equation of first order involving a dependent variable z and two independent variables x and y are the form capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R, where capital P is a function of x comma y comma z, Q is a function of x comma y comma z, and R is a function of x comma y comma z. This form is called Lagrange's linear equation. Now we have to find the general solution of capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. In previous class we had obtained the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function phi of u comma v equal to 0. From this phi of u comma y u equal 0 is the general solution of the PDE capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. Therefore, the general solution of capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R is phi of u comma v equal to 0. Now, working procedure. Working rule to solve capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. Step 1. First, write down the auxiliary equations. Dx by capital P equal to dy by capital Q equal to dz by capital R. Step 2. Find any two independent solutions of these auxiliary equations. Let the solutions be u equal to u equal to c1 and v equal to c2, where c1 c2 are arbitrary constants. Step 3, general solution of given PD is pi of c1 comma c2 equal to 0 or pi of u comma v equal to 0. This is the working procedure to solve Lagrange's linear equation capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q equal to R. Next, to solve dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by R. Here solve this Lagrange's linear equation by using two methods. First one is method of grouping. Second one is method of multipliers. First we will discuss method of grouping. Given dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by R. In some problems, it is possible to that two of the equations, that means dx by p equal to dy by q or dy by q equal to dz by R or dz by R equal to dx by p. Here any two equations are directly soluble to get the solutions u of x comma y equal to c1 and v of y comma z equal to c2 or w of z comma x equal to c3. You take any two solutions, then you write the general solution of given PD is pi of c1 comma c2 equal 0 or pi of c2 comma c3 equal 0 or pi of c3 comma c1 equal to 0. Okay, thank you.